Now, the election is close by. I am sure my brother, the former minister, must have told you what I want to say now. The fact is simple. Between now and February, we must all work extra hard, harder than before when we were generally doing politics. This one, the difference is very, very clear that there is no more rigging. It's one man, one vote. And it is therefore necessary that we must all be strong, united to canvass for these votes. The time when people buy votes is fast. So whatever we can do to talk to our brothers, our sisters, our children at the grassroots level, that is what is expected of all of us, including me. I was in Ubima on Saturday, and I talked to as many people as I can. Now, for you, each and every one of you, you have your polling units. And in the unit, there are other people who may not have decided who to vote for in presidency. But then, you merely talking to them will make them decide on who to vote for. And there's no other person in the whole Nigeria that is strong enough to remove this pain in our heart, on our eyes, the sufferings in our mind, the lack of school fees, than one person, Atiku. And this Atiku is a man full of experience. The man, he has been a vice president for long. At the time when Nigeria was enjoying a lot of economic benefits, a lot of educational benefits, a lot of security, freedom, and all that, Atiku was the man solidly behind OBJ, Obasanjo. And if he had that full experience as a supporting person, now that he is at the front seat, he will do even far better than Obasanjo has done. And that is why we must put hands together, make sure we vote for him. Not only we, our friends, our relations, and our neighbors. The time of rigging, the time they flog people, be on this line has passed. It's you and your voter's card, and then the paper they will give to you. So, whatever you can do to convince your friends and your neighbors to come over and work with you, please don't fail to do it. We here, you have trusted, you have known us, you have trusted us. I'm sure many of you have worked with me before.
Yes, sir.
Many, yes. And you know, whatever I say is where I stand. I don't change. No matter what you do. This one here, he knows me very well. Whatever we decide to do, that's what we shall do. And if after walking, the next question will be, what next? That's why I said, whatever I say I will do, I will do it. At the time we finish, some of us will be here to hold the benefit here. Some will go to Abuja. Some will go many places that all of us will stand to benefit. I can assure you that. The situation as it is now cannot be the same as it were. Or when we take over, every person will enjoy it.
Yes.
You can see what Buhari is doing. Parents are no longer able to pay school fees. Even when they pay itself, the school will not be able. Rain they fall everywhere. Federal government is not talking to any person. Teachers are not being paid their salaries. And so even though you struggle in the market, in your business, manage to get the school fees, the children will not benefit from it. ASU strike has continued. And we need our man, Atiku Okowa, to come and make this change. Okay, look at Eleme, the seaport at Eleme. Is it working? We need Atiku who knows the thing now to come and tell us how it works. See Port Harcourt here, Port Harcourt seaport. Is it working? And they are telling us Renwela. Why is Renwela? Okay, see the east-west road. Is it working? No. So we need somebody who knows it and who also loves us. My brother here has worked with Atiku for many years, not today. The minister, when he was minister, was working closely with Atiku. And when Atiku takes over, that same friendship was holding like this and bringing and this is a friend and a brother I trust. Whatever Abia says he will do, that's what he will do. And so we all, him, me, Secondus, Austin, all of us will bring Atiku. We say, our people come and talk to them what you will do for them. And we will achieve that when the time comes. So I don't want to take much of your time because this is not campaign time. I'm only asking that don't be scared, don't be worried. Don't be worried at all. We will win. Atiku has won. God has already selected him. You see other candidates. Look, the man in Miloko. See how many mistakes the man is making. But when Atiku talks, no a man is talking. PDP. That shows you who is ready and prepared to lead this country. And that should make you to be proud to say, the person I'm following is the man, is the original presidential candidate that God has prepared. God has prepared him. You are not following. It's our tongue. You are following the one that God has chosen. And by the special grace of God, he will win. So thank you very much, and God will bless you. Well, we thank God that the women in River State are still highly interested on who governs them and to go about on how to bring the person of their choice. And the fact that they have decided on Atiku Okowa campaign team, it means a lot to the people of the women in River State. They are there to show solidarity that, look, of all the candidates, of all the parties, only one person, Atiku, is to them and to all of us better qualified in all ramifications. So they've not made any wrong choice. And by the grace of God, we will succeed. Atiku will take over the realms of affairs in Nigeria, and these women and the Rivers people, Rivers women, will stand to benefit from whatever labor they are putting in now. The call to every person is, look, there is no time between now and February election. People should come out fully, without fear or favor, and stand firm on Atiku campaign team. And besides all that, PDP is one. PDP stands to gain and to win. And every person, whether man or woman or anywhere in River State, should come out and work for PDP. And PDP will win the election. The Okrika people have also seen the light. The Ikwere people have seen the light. And it simply means that River State has seen the light. They are all together to say that Atiku is the man chosen by God. They have seen it, they have reasoned it, they have thought over it, and that Atiku is the one that God has anointed to be the next president of Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Sir, some persons are